gonna have to oxy clean now.
Pepper looking at him like, what the fuck is your problem? Okay.
I still want to see how this fight goes down.
Get him, Pepper. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Look at her face.
Get him. Get him. Kill.
Look at her growling
Get
at
him.
the camera. Fuck him up, Pepper.
Poor soup.
Just crying because he wants vagina.
Pepper.
Her face. Oh my god, she looks so funny.
She doesn't even growl, she's pulled her teeth back. Oh!
Get him. Get him.
He has balls, Snoopy. Might not want to sniff on him. Hi. Hi, Peanut. Hi. It's good to randomly see you, too.
Go, Pepper. Go, Pepper.
Hi, Peanut. Oh, you can jump up here. Oh, Peanut. He doesn't have a vagina. Please, why not?
Get him, Pepper. Get
He's
him.
like, but he doesn't have balls. So I'm
Get him.
confused.
Still has a penis. Oh, oh. Peanut. Snoopy, get away.
They're going to get into a fight.
Oh my goodness.
He doesn't even know what he's barking at. He's just barking a bark. Go, whoa, whoa, hi, hi. Go fuck someone up. Don't get all
Hi,
excited on
guys.
my face.
Hi, guys.
Go beat someone up. Go ahead.
I just feel bad for Sharice.
Ow!
She got like in
Ow!
the middle of that one
Ow!
and almost got bit.
Hi, buddy. Get him. Eat the fuzzy dog.
Who are you barking at, Hefe? Hi.
Why are you biting me?
Hi. Did you really just nibble on my nostril hole? You did.
Good
He went
girl.
to kiss me and grabbed a hold of my nostril hole with his toother.
Interesting. Look, Pepper, get him. There he is.
Uh-oh, min pins. When min pins